Today we learned a little bit about some poetry elements. We talked about alliteration, imagery, and metaphors. So I figured we should read a poem that has some alliteration in it. And if you remember, alliteration means that consonant, the beginning letter of the word, is going to repeat itself. So you're going to see a pattern where some words begin with the letter F several times or the letter D several times. So look for that while I read this poem to you. It's called The Princess Fairy. The Princess Fairy flies at night. Her dress has diamonds dazzling bright. Her crimson curls glow on her gown, as from the stars she flutters down. She comes to children in their beds and waves her wand above their heads. She helps them have delightful dreams of fresh fruit frappes and crispy creams, of toads that talk and tell tall tales, of worms that walk and skunks with sails, of rams that read and wrens that write, of sloths that speed and buttercups that bite, of fish that fly and snakes that sing, of purple pie and roses that ring, of pigs with pails and sheep with shells, of super snails and bugs with bells. The Princess Fairy flies at night, so make sure you are tucked in tight. I hope you guys enjoyed that poem, and I can't wait to hear all the alliteration that you can find in this poem.